Imagine a situation. Your door being knocked at midnight. You hesitate at first, but picking up courage, you open it. A person stands there and requests to be let in for the night. Will you allow him? Surely, you will be under a million thoughts. Think it for a country. Will the government let someone in without permission? Surely no. They just term them in a special name, refugee. There exists a lot of examples. Think about the people crossing the American borders, or the Sri Lankan refugees, or the people of Rohingya. All of them crossed their land with a single aim, a better life. Well, why is it so? How can some other country give them the life they needed? How can a government be so dumb, unable to take care of its own people? Well, they term it poverty, famine, or in most cases, blame it on their own people, citing civil riots. Governments needs to be democratic. They need to take necessary steps so that the situation never goes worse. Migration should only be in the search of world knowledge. Let the countries be decentralized and provide the people what they needed every time. Don't search peace away, it is in your own home.